Friday night, cloudy. Lows in the mid-40s. Saturday and Saturday night, cloudy with a 30% chance of showers. Highs in the upper 50s. Lows in the upper 40s. Sunday through Tuesday, partly cloudy. Highs in the upper 60s. Lows in the mid-40s. This is NOAA Weather Radio, station WXK67 in San Antonio, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.550 megahertz, originating from the Austin-San Antonio National Weather Service Forecast Office. The current time is 10:59 a.m. Central Standard Time. The San Antonio NOAA Weather Radio Roundup. At 10 a.m. in San Antonio, it was cloudy. The temperature was 67, the dew point 60, the relative humidity was 78%, the wind south at 10 miles an hour gusting to 21, and the pressure was 30.06 inches and rising. Austin Bergstrom partly sunny 65. Bernie cloudy 63. Pleasanton partly sunny 75. This is a test. This is a test. This is a test. This is a test of the National Weather Service NOAA Weather Radio. The preceding signal was a test of this weather radio station's public warning system. During potentially dangerous situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 10 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous conditions. The station you are listening to, and the counties we alarm for, are listed in a statement at the top of each hour. The San Antonio NOAA Weather Radio Roundup. At 10 a.m. in San Antonio, it was cloudy.